What's up, y'all? It's your girl Antionette Lee. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stick around, and also make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you don't miss any uploads from me. I upload at least once a week, sometimes more, but make sure that your bell is turned on so you don't miss it, okay? So as you see here, these are the products that I'm using to take this relaxing detox bath. Y'all, there are so many benefits to taking a detox bath. It enhances sleep, for one. It relieves tension, it boosts circulation, and it also boosts your immune system, okay? There are so many benefits to taking this detox bath, y'all, but I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. I'm gonna get right into it, and everything that I have in this video will be listed below if you're interested, okay? So keep watching.